Okay, this is just installing the H signs. So just grab your sign here. This one's kind of dirty, so there's rags and stuff inside to clean them up before you install them. If you're installing in the actual yard of the person, you might want to grab one that already has a name rider up on top of it right here. So you could do that, but if you're installing like in a corner where you're going to put an arrow sign on, that'll be different. So I'm going to pretend that we're going to install at a corner. Actually no, first this is like at a yard, just same thing as the post signs. I'm just going to install them off the edge a little bit. Just step down on here. Sometimes there's hard ground, so I'm hitting something hard there. I'm going to adjust it. It just sinks right in there. Try and get it all the way down to the metal piece at the bottom, and then that's it. So pretty easy. We do have the solar lights for those also. If we're in someone's yard, we can install those. If you're going to install a rider on top of a sign, the riders are inside the truck right here. So here's an arrow rider, and then grab the hardware kit. So with the hardware kit, you're going to want to use these small screws and wing nuts here. That's really important when you put these riders on, that you put these wing nuts on very tight, because they do have the tendency to loosen up. And if they loosen up, the riders will, and every once in a while we'll see a rider just hanging around like this because one side has fallen off. So put these on super tight. And you also want to install these on the opposite side. If you look at the H sign, it has the side with the nut, and then just the side with the top of the bolt there. So you want to install it on the side that the bolt's on. And just put the other one through here. Maybe. This one doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. So you can just hold that with your thumb, make that nice and tight. If you feel like you're struggling to make it really tight, we do have tools. So in the back of the back seat here, we have this little kit right here. It has the cleaning supplies, so for cleaning the sign before you put it up. There's also your channel locks are right here, so you can use that on your sign stuff. And in this hardware kit, we have like different screwdrivers and things. So if you're struggling, once again, to tighten this by hand, you can just use a screwdriver in the back and the channel locks and just make that nice and snug. And then when you install these in intersections, you want to be careful that you don't place them where you're blocking traffic's view from on the corner. Just make sure you install them with the arrow pointing the right direction. So, and then install them a little bit off the pavement as well and somewhere visible. Sometimes with the arrow signs, it's hard to get them in a really good spot. You just do the best you can. So.